Alright, so we're on homework and remembering 8-2. We are on a learning target today that was confirming that all students could convert the metric liquid volume units. So our base unit for the metric system for liquid volume is liters. So we use that metric conversion chart again. Make sure you have that metric conversion chart because that is very, very, very important to use and to help you understand. If not, if your student, son or daughter did not bring it home, just Google metric conversion chart and it will come up for you and they'll know exactly what it looks like to help. Alright, so number 11, I'm trusting that you're following along as I read. I'm not going to type it out, but I want you to follow along on your homework worksheet. Jennifer made 5 liters of punch for her birthday, or for her party. Her brother made another 750 milliliters. If they combine the batches, so they're going to put those amounts together, how many 180 milliliter servings would they have? Would there be any punch left over? If so, how much? So, there are 3 questions asked here, but what we should notice is that Jennifer made a volume of punch in liters, a liquid volume in liters, and her brother was in milliliters. So those are different units. We need to convert Jennifer's amount to milliliters because we want to find out how many 180 milliliter servings will be in all when they combine the 2 amounts of punch. So, what you should be thinking, what you should be doing, is you should think about 5 liters. That's Jennifer's amount of punch. How many milliliters is that? Well, if you have your conversion chart, you should find out that that's 5,000 milliliters. And then her brother has 750 milliliters. So these are like units already, milliliters, milliliters. We can add these together because it says if they combine the 2 batches. So let's combine the 2 batches and you get 5,750. You can do that in your head. And keep those units there. So you have 5,750 milliliters of punch combined. Now they want to see how many 180 milliliter servings they can have. In order to do that, you need to divide. In order to help you do this, you can use a calculator. I need some more workspace, so I'm going to go to a blank whiteboard. I have 5,750, and I need to figure out how many 180 milliliter servings, how many 180 milliliter servings can I get out of a total of 5,750 milliliters. So I'm going to use a calculator if I needed to. I know that 180 can go into 575, and it can actually go into it 3 times. So I'm going to write the 3 on top. And 3 times 180 is 540. You subtract. You can use a calculator to help you figure that part out. Now you subtract and you get 35. 180 cannot go into 35, so we bring down our 0. 180 now can go into 350 once. There's 31 servings so far. So 1 times 180. We subtract. We get, and the reason I do this fast is because students are expected to know how to do that. So we have 31 servings. When the question says how many 180 milliliter servings we can make, you will write 31 servings. And I ran out of room to write my S there. Would there be any punch left over? That's the second question. Well, if you see this remainder down here, you'll say yes. There's 170 milliliters left over. This is remaining left over. So you had 3 questions to answer. How many 180 milliliter servings could you have? You have 31. Is there leftovers? Yes. How much is left over? 170 milliliters. Good luck on the rest of your homework. Make sure you use a calculator to help you do this long division, and you'll be just fine. The homework side has 3 more story problems that are very similar to this. Do your very best, and we'll review questions you have the next class session. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.